welcoming. Here's my baby. Baby, huh?
Oh, alright.
Hi. Guys, so meron pa bang pabulaklak dito? How do you feel, Mr. Flower Boy? Huh? Ayan, ganito yung welcoming nila dahil nakarating na kami dito sa Bali. Papakita ko yung anak ko. Alam, gwapo-gwapo ng baby ko sa may flower niya. Oh, ayan, may pa-flower siya. Ayos naman pala eh. Hindi namin na-expect na ganito pala kaganda. Akala namin hindi siya maganda. Pero okay naman. Ayan o. Hi, Ivan! Ay, ang anak ko, gwapo-gwapo naman, oh.
Okay, let's go.
Yes. Thank you so much. Very noisy.
पता है ना गोल गोल पर ही ड्रम है ये है ना उखाड़ा हुआ जाता है आजू-बाजू वाला कहता है से नहीं पाया ₹20 ली जाते हम रिटर्न तो करो थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस
Kumakain siya mag-isa niya, guys. Oh. Yum, yum. You like it? Like it? Tignan niyo, oh. Nakaupo lang siya dyan. Very behave ang baby ko. Sarap niya na, ano? Yum, yum. Yummy, yum. I like it. You like it? You like it? It's yours now? Para siya pag-antera na mag 8 months old pa lang yan. Milan Tara Chokrojo. Masta siya. Ha? Masta siya. Chukar. Chukar hodu. Chukar. Imela. What happened? You don't want to sleep?
Oi, oi, Iran.
Guys, nakarating na kami dito sa Bali. And tignan nyo naman ang baby ko mag-isa. Anong ginagawa mo, Ivan? What are you doing, anak? Hi! Ay, malamig pala. Nilalamig ka, anak ko? Here, this is your water. Water. Milan. Hi. Why are you very busy?
Wait, I have
Connecting to the Wi-Fi?
Yes.
So, ayan, we have all the luggage in here. So, pauwi na kami dun sa may, papunta na kami dun sa may hotel room namin. And yung driver, kinokontak na natin. So, ayan, nakarating na tayo sa Bali, guys. So, we're just looking for the driver na hinire natin. Let's see kung nasaan siya. So, kapag mag-check out ka, guys, ang dami mong makikita na mga naghihintay sa'yo. So, let's see. And si Milan. So, ito yung driver natin, guys. Let's go! Why are you crying? Shut. Let's go. Shut. Hey, sign of welcoming. Here's my baby. Baby, huh?
Oh,
Alright.
Hi.
tanapan.
And then I want
Guys, so meron pa bang pabulaklak dito? How do you feel, Mr. Flower Boy? Ha? Ayan, ganito yung welcoming nila dahil nakarating na kami dito sa Bali. Papakita ko yung anak ko. Ala, gwapo-gwapo ng baby ko sa may flower niya. Oh, ayan, may pa-flower siya. Guys, tignan niyo yung baby ko. Oh, may pa-flower. Tapos meron silang binigay na bulaklak as a sign of welcoming sa amin. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Bali and pupunta na kami dun sa resort, sa hotel na tutuluyan namin. How are you feeling, Jano?
Very nice.
And what about you, Jano? It's 10 hours of travel and 5 hours of layover. We're almost traveling for like 1 whole day.
And especially
Imagine.
our flight was not that good.
Our flight was not that good,
It
no?
was very tiring.
And no entertainment inside and all of that. But it's okay.
Not even water.
I
I asked for water.
They did
She
not
said
give.
$3.
Oh!
Yeah, USD.
Oh, babre. Nevertheless, we will enjoy our trip here in Bali and we will see what we'll be doing here, right, Jano?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll update you later, guys. But, Vidi, this is your first time
Yes.
abroad.
It is bad experience.
Right now, bad experience. Okay, but it's okay. We'll see. We reach Bali now. We will see what we'll do the next. Next day, it will be good experience. Chalo. So, nakarating na tayo, guys. Ha?
Nice resort.
Nice resort. Chalo, mag-check-in na tayo, guys. Nagising na rin ang baby Ivan natin. Let's go and do our check-in now. Welcome to Bali. Let's go. Ivan! Hi, Ivan!
Hi.
Good evening, my love.
I love you too.
Let's go, guys. So, ayan guys, mag-check-in na tayo and mag-settle down na tayo. So, napakaganda dito. Akala ko hindi maganda, pero maganda pala. Milan, Jano. Apra expectation, alag jehen eh.
It's very
Pan masta siya.
far better than our expectation.
Masta siya. Apra ulage na haro. Panharo lage siya.
Do you like it? Yes, I will get my purse.
So, they have different room, Jano and VD. 209. And ours is 212. So, ayan guys, pasok tayo. Let's go. Oh, ayos naman pala eh. Hindi namin i-expect na ganito pala kaganda. Akala namin hindi siya maganda. Pero okay naman. Ayan o. Hi, Ivan! Ay, ang anak ko, gwapo-gwapo naman. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Yes. Thank you so much. See you.
So we have city view.
City view. Look. What do you think, Jano?
Very nice.
Very nice. Let's see. Ivan, You go? Are you enjoying? Looks like you're enjoying your hotel. Oh, you're enjoying, right? Yes, my love. Let's go.
નાવા બાવાનું ને એવું કરી
Ouch, what is this?
બાથરૂમ
Open. It's closed. Seems like they don't want us to open that. This one. Let's go. Okay, this is the bathroom. Okay. And then, ayan.
That's it. Finish na.
Right over here, meron tayong ano guys, study table, or if you want to work, merong working area dyan. Meron tayong balcony. Guys, ito yung location na pinuntahan namin. And nandito ang baby Iwan ko kasama ang tita Bibi niya. Nakapambahay na, nakapantulog na. Ay, tapos ka na kumain, anak ko. Are you enjoying your trip? And ayan si Jano. Hi, Jano.
Hi.
And right over there, Milan. Everyone, so nagsha-shopping kami ngayon dito sa May Valley. And nagtitingin-tingin kami ng mga damit na susuotin for the costume namin tomorrow. Swimming. And tignan nyo, parang Pilipinas lang. It's like Philippines yung mga tindahan dito.
And we find Alphamart also.
Oo, meron ding Alphamart dito. Ayun, no, show them the Alphamart.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but yan, Alphamart.
And alam nyo ba, ang binili namin nasa 350 pesos lang yan.
350 peso.
May dalawang tubig ka na, may dalawang mogo-mogo, may isang malaking coke, may isang malaking kape. 350 pesos lang. Ang mura-mura lang dito. Mas mahal sa Pilipinas. So ngayon, tignan natin kung may mapipili si na Jano at si Vicky.